everyone, Jordan Baddies, welcome back to my videos from number 15 of the 2023 AMC8. Viswam walks half a mile to get to school each day. His route consists of 10 city blocks of equal length, and he takes 1 minute to walk each block. Today, after walking 5 blocks, Viswam discovers he has to make a detour, walking 3 blocks of equal length instead of 1 block to reach the next corner. From the time he starts his detour, at what speed in miles per hour must he walk in order to get to school at his usual time? Okay. So if we look at this problem first, we can see that since he's walking 10 city blocks of equal length and takes 1 minute to walk each block, it takes him 10 minutes to walk to school every day. So just 10 mins, I guess. And it also says that since he walks half a mile, and they're 10 city blocks of equal length, that means that he walks one block is equivalent to 1/20th of a mile. So those are all useful information, but this doesn't actually get us to the actual question of the problem. So after walking 5 blocks, so that's 5 minutes off, he discovers that he has to make a detour walking 3 blocks of equal length instead of 1 block. So in this case, you guys might think, well, he has 5 more blocks to walk and he walks 3 more blocks, which means that he has to walk 8 blocks, right? But in reality, he doesn't actually. Since he was going to walk 1 block originally anyway, and he's just walking 3 blocks this time, this means that he's only going to walk 2 extra blocks, meaning that he's going to walk 7/20ths of a mile after he walks to the detour and keeps walking to his school. From the time he starts his detour, at what speed in miles per hour must he walk in order to get to school on his usual time? So since he's already walked 5 minutes, so this block, since he's already walked 5 minutes, that means that he still has 5 minutes to get to school because it takes him 10 minutes to get to school. Which also means that we can use a formula. Okay, so let's just say that d is equivalent to distance, and we know what the distance is, 7/20ths of a mile. Distance is equivalent to speed multiplied by time. And in this case, we actually already know what our time is too, 5 minutes. Which means that we can start writing an equation. So that means that if we divide both sides by time to isolate the speed, 7/20ths, and in this case it's looking for hours, miles per hour, so we have to convert 5 minutes, because he has 5 minutes left, to hours, and since 5 minutes is equivalent to 1/12th of an hour, we divide by 1/12 is equivalent to speed, which we don't know. So if we solve this equation, since it's dividing by a fraction, we basically get 7/10ths multiplied by 12. Simplifying, but keeping the 10 just because it's easier to divide that way, we have this. So 42 over 10 is equivalent to s, therefore s is equivalent to 4.2. Therefore, the answer is B, 4.2, to this problem. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye bye!